Nze we twasomera essomero lyaffe lyali amanga the best schools era
lyali ly'abawala oba balenzi oba byombi?
lyali mixture. Yes, it was a mixture of boys and girls.
Good.
Nze ku HSC nakola history, divinity, fine art, and mathematics. And I got 48. And I was among the best. They gave me a gift of being the best student in the school.
Kati tukutuliremu. History wafuna mmeka yo yokka?
History nafuna A. Triple A.
Busatu.
Nafuna triple A. Then mathematics nafuna D. I don't know, it was what? A triple D. Then English I got B.C.D.
Kati English wamukolera ku HSC?
Yeah, by that time we used to do English.
Myaka ki?
I can't remember, but it's like 5 years back. And
oyinayo ba Obi?
Yes.
Ne ba Oji?
Ba Oji be basinga obungi.
Nga baani?
Spice Diana. I have Spice Diana. She was the best student.
Essomero lyamu.
Yafuna mega.
Spice Diana got 36. 36. She was the best.
Ate gwe wa 48 si gwe wasinga.
They told me Spice was the best student.
They told you. Olwani agamba?
The headmaster.